Hi viewers, welcome to Fusion Expo. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more latest videos. I came with an unboxing of Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5 14-inch touch laptop. We purchased it in Amazon Prime Day sale with a great unbelievable deal price. I will reveal the purchase price in the middle of the video, so please do watch till the end of the video to know this. Let's unbox. Here we have the Amazon box. Let's open and check what's inside. Here is the Lenovo box and the invoice provided inside. Let's open the Lenovo box and check. Here we have the setup guide, adapter connection guide, the safety and warranty guide. It's guide regarding the Windows Home OS restriction in countries. Here we have the digital pen with battery provided to operate the touchscreen. Here we have the power AC cable to plug in. Here we have the adapter to make the laptop quick charge with Type-C connectivity. Having a capacity of 65 watts. Now here we have the digital pen holder, which can be connected to one of the USB port that we have to the laptop. Let's move to the Lenovo laptop. So it's how it looks after removing the cover with a smooth surface on the top. On the bottom side you get the rubber feet for pretty grip on flat surface and the airflow exhaust. The right frame contains two USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type A 4-in-1 card reader and the power button. Here on the back we have the exhaust for blowing the hot air away from the screen. The left frame contains the DC port, HDMI 1.4B, one USB 3.1 Gen Type-C and 3.5mm audio jack. Now let's open the laptop and check. It's regarding the extended warranty and offers. And here we have the two dual stereo speakers, the Backlit keyboard, the fingerprint reader, the 11th Gen Core i3 processor and the touchpad. Now it's time to reveal the deal purchase price. Total price of laptop is 46,990, applied 500 coupon with great extra exchange value of 18,600 for i3 laptop, no cost EMI and the bank discounts applied. The final grand total of 24,915 with a great purchase.
Let's move to the features and details of my first impression after using it for a while. The build quality is really good with the plastic body. The touchscreen works great with quick response and smooth experience of using the digital pen for easy photo editing and drawing. The sound quality is pretty loud and decent. The fingerprint reader makes the laptop unlock really quick. It comes with the MS Office pre-installed. The 11th Gen Intel Core i3 processor performs really well. It comes with integrated Intel UHD graphics with no extra graphics slots provided to add. It comes with the 8GB RAM with no other slots to upgrade. It comes with 512GB SSD with no other slots to be added. Quick charge really works good. In our test, it took 2 hours of time to charge from 0 to 90%. You will easily get up to 6 hours of battery life. Here I feel the only thing missing is that we don't have any upgrade options. Conclusion. Those who are looking for normal usage like documentation, browsing, small application usage, multimedia purpose with touchscreen and digital pen usage for drawing, Photoshop, and quick charge features with long battery life can go for it during the Prime Day or other sales to get it for the lowest price with great discount coupons, exchange, bank offers. Those who are looking for gaming or higher performance, please don't go for this laptop.
Please subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon.